Hey guys, so this is one proof na super effective talaga si AAC. So ito, I just tried to post an ad sa isang project na kaka-join ko lang kahapon. Ayan, so pinost ko yung ad sa AAC and look at the time here, it's 4:39 a.m. Na-approve yung ad ko. Ayan yun. So, $5 one time and it will give you unlimited dollars every day. Okay, so nagustuhan ko yung project na to kasi ang ganda niya, sobrang affordable, and I'm just getting ready to publish it on my YouTube channel. Pero tinry ko lang kasi I have lots of credits naman kay AAC. So pinost ko yung ad and guess what guys? In just few minutes after i-post ni AAC yung ads ko about power line system, and dalawa na agad nag-sign up. Okay? So time check, it's just 12 noon time here in Canada. And since napuwet ako kagabi, kaka-join ko nga lang dito. So pagising ko, ito yung bumungad sa akin guys. Ayan, ito yun yung earning potential niya, oh. Grabe, uulanin ka talaga ng dollars for just one time of $5 na activation. Ito yung earning potential. Uulanin ka ng $250, $150, $10, 50 cents. So, depende sa package na kinuha mo. So, isa lang yung position na kinuha ko, $5. Pero I'm planning to get the whole pack, which is worth $58. So, pag kinuha mo yung whole package na yun one time, $58, nag-cycle out ka na, and lahat ng papasok, ayun nga, uulanin ka na ng dollars na to. So, napakaganda ng system, na-excite ako, kaya nag-join ako agad. Hindi naman masakit sa bulsa, it's just one time of $5 to get one position, and mag-start ka na dun na mag-earn. So, it's up to you na lang kung gusto mong mag-upgrade or bilhin lahat yung 5 packages para hindi tatapon yung mga next na sign-ups. Gaya nga ng na-experience ko dito, hindi ko pa pinopost, hindi ko pa pinopromote yung project. Nilagyan ko lang ng ads sa AAC. So, it's really working. Napakalaking tulong ng AAC. So, eto yun guys. Alas 4 na-approve yung ads ko. And look at this. At 6:40 a.m., meron ng isa, ayan, si Darvin Barrett, nag-join, okay? And then, after few hours, ayan, 9:59 a.m., meron na namang isang nag-sign up, si Leon Wright. 'Di ba, mga taga-ibang bansa, hindi ko kilala. So, nakita lang nila yung ads ko kay AAC, Affiliate Advertising Club. And, ayan na agad. Grabe guys. So, hindi ko pa to sinisimulan. Nagpo-populate na yung mga tao dun sa ilalim. So, napakaganda opportunity. It's just one time $5 to get in, to start. And it's up to you kung gusto mong kunin lahat ng packages. One time of $58, activated na, walang lalagpas na share sa'yo or profit. So, it's a good investment and nagsisimula pa lang siya. Ayan, let's check out their Telegram channel here. At ang maganda dito, anyone can join dahil sa sobrang affordable niya. So, ito yun, no, mga, ayan, nakikita mo lahat ng mga nag-earn, nakaka-receive ng US dollars. Inuulan ng dollars, guys. 'Di ba? So, napakagandang opportunity, and guess what? 785 total members pa lang. Kaka-start pa lang nito, guys. So, save your $5. Okay? And kung meron kang 58, I recommend you to buy all the packages, and that's it. Napakagandang investment na yan. Uulanin ka na ng dollars dito. So, ayan, ang lupit. And hindi lang naman yung power line push na to, yung ginawan ko ng ad doon. Even my ITP, okay, yung ITP ko, grabe, almost 100 members na dahil lang din sa AAC. Okay, so nakaka-excite at I'm working on sa other banners. Ayan. This time with AAC, hindi na mahirap mag-promote ng any business, any online business na meron ka. Napakalupit. So, pinadali lahat ni AAC. Okay? So, sa mga interesado dito kay Powerline Push, just contact me and ready your $5 or $58 all in. And yeah, let's start to build this project. All right. And by the way, guys, if you decide to join my team, don't worry, I will give you a sample of banner ads. Okay. Yeah, or if you buy all the packages, I will let you use my ad credits kay AAC. Kung hindi ka member ni AAC, don't worry, I will put your link on my ads, so makakakuha ka din ng sign-ups. Okay? So, napakagandang opportunity nito. Nag-start pa lang ako, and we all know sa isang power line system, pag nauna ka talaga, yung first levels, like my first 10 people is very lucky kasi lahat ng papasok sa network ko, pasok sa ilalim nyo yun. Okay? Napakalupit nito, kaya grab this opportunity. See you all, guys. This is Baby Snow. Happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.